you little lady. I am so bad with footage. I thought, anyway, I must have deleted like all the weekend's footage of the stuff, but look at this guy. I did record me finding him at like 2 o'clock in the morning when I was walking to the petrol station to get a lighter. They just happen upon me. You need some food, I see, mate. Hey? I don't know what's up with him. Can't fly. And then too. He's still bloody adorable. I try not to think about all the stuff I deleted. That's really starting to bug me now. Little peanuts. I know, they're adorable.
You often see them rolling around on the ground playing with each other's feet.